Thank you for your interest in our 2000 Cruisers Yachts 3870 Express. This has been a wonderful boat. We bought it primarily, and I think most people appreciate the fact that you can step aboard very easily. There's not a lot of stairs that you have to climb up and down, and when you get a little older, that begins to feel like something. So it was important for my wife to be able to step right off of the dock, right onto the boat, and come into the cockpit area where I'm sitting, and also the fact that the door will close that encloses the cockpit, and if you have animals or small children, that's a nice way to keep them in a confined area so that you can watch and take care of them. The boat's very well equipped, has been maintained. I'm the third owner. First owner had it for quite some time. Second owner had it for 11 years, I believe, and I've had it now for, this is my third year. And so we have it for sale because we're moved up to a different model, a little bit bigger, but this is just a fantastic Express. It's a great day boat. It's great for family, friends, entertaining, great sound system, Merc cruisers that are strong as can be, and it just performs exceptionally well. This year we just completed the enclosure that you can see in some of the videos. That was just wrapped up about a month and a half ago. So it's all fresh glass as well as all new Sunbrella fabric, and should last for many years to come. It's a freshwater boat here in Chattanooga. It was originally out of Atlanta. I did spend a little time in Florida because the middle owner was using it as a condo while he was building some plants down in Florida. And then when he was finished, he brought it back up into Tennessee. And that's when I got it. The importance to know, the boat currently does not have a generator. When the previous owner had the engines rebuilt at approximately 880 hours or so, they're 454 7.4 Merc cruisers. Those engines were refreshed and repowered about 4 years ago, but has been used very little. We've probably put maybe 50 hours on the boat in a matter of 2 or 3 years. So we didn't really use it as much as we anticipated. Things have changed, and so that's why we have it on the market. As to the generator, it had a 5.3 Kohler gasoline generator in it. The owner took that out at the same time he had the engines redone and just never put it back together. The generator can be dropped in and reinstalled very easily because all of the power equipment, fuel lines, exhaust, everything is still there. It has fresh batteries, 5 of them that were put in last year in the summer. It also has new blowers on both sides, new battery charging system, new head system, VacuFlush systems that have been refreshed. So it's just ready to go. It's turnkey, fires right up, and I think you'll find it to be a great boat, and we'd love to take it to your slip.